In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Commerce Manager to Facebook Events Manager. This process is essential for those who want to track and optimize their marketing efforts by linking product catalogs to valuable event data. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and search for Meta Business Suite. You can use any popular browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. This will help you access the platform where all the magic happens. Once you've searched for it, look for the first result or any link that includes facebook.com in its URL. This ensures you're accessing the official site, maintaining a secure environment for your business information. Next, hover over the avatar icon on the web page. This might be a small circle icon or your profile picture if you're already somewhat familiar with Facebook. When you hover over it, you'll be prompted to log in. This step takes you closer to accessing all the tools you'll need. Go ahead and log in using your Facebook credentials. Make sure to enter your username and password carefully to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Ads Manager page. Here, locate the All Tools option, usually found in the top menu or left sidebar. Clicking All Tools will expand a menu with various options. From this menu, head over to Commerce Manager. In Commerce Manager, you have the power to manage product catalogs, track inventory, and even set up your shop if necessary. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time here. Now, choose the catalog that contains the products you want to connect to your events data. If you have multiple catalogs, ensure you select the correct one to prevent any mix-ups later on. After making your selection, click on the Catalog tab in the left-hand menu and then proceed to the Events section. The Events section is where you'll link your catalog data to event monitoring systems. On the Events page, you'll notice an option to Manage Connections. Click on this and you will be presented with a list of available connections. Here, look for your MetaPixel. The MetaPixel is a small bit of code used for tracking activity on your site to help you understand your visitors' behavior. Once you've found your MetaPixel in the list, click the toggle next to it to turn it on. This action links your catalog with the events tracked by the pixel, enabling a seamless data flow between the two systems. Finally, don't forget to click Save. This crucial last step ensures the connection is established and your settings are preserved. And there you have it. You've now successfully connected Commerce Manager to Facebook Events Manager. This connection not only enhances your marketing capabilities, but also provides insights that can help you make data-driven decisions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.